Not a fox, is it?
No, it's a person.
Sounds like that. Oh yeah, that screen. We just seen someone with a gun, didn't we? Alright guys, I think we're nearly here. We're just coming up to Lavernock Battery. Just shortly down here.
Should be this way. It says is this way on the map.
Yeah, no, this place was built for anti-aircraft in World War II. To
what's concrete?
oh shit.
Was that it? Hang on, let me zoom. Yeah, that's it.
Let's have a little look in there a minute.
So yeah, Lavernock Battery was built at Lavernock Point, Wales, on the recommendations of the 1860 Royal Commission during the late 1860s to protect the ports of the Severn Estuary. It was replaced by a new anti-aircraft battery during World War II. That was equipped with 4 heavy anti-aircraft guns, and I guess this is one of the little bunkers.
Do you reckon that's been blocked in, or do you reckon that would have been the little...
No, I reckon that's how it's supposed to be, and I reckon that's just collapsed a little bit in time because it looks like this. It looks like the ceiling's not really attached. You know what I mean?
Yeah, true.
If you look, there's a big gap. Look at that spider.
Oh, he's nasty.
It's massive. That is huge.
Oh,
shoot.
damn, it's like a spider den in there.
Dang, it is. Guys, this is massive. Like, I don't want to get too close, but there's my torch, and it's... Oh, shoot, what was that? There's one in there. That is huge.
Yeah, I don't like spiders.
Hey, where'd that go? Where'd that other one go?
True.
Oh, he's gone up there, he's gone up there. Alright, we get out of here, because this is creepy. Guys, that's one of the first rooms. Literally don't have a clue where we're going. There's huge walls. Oh, so that must have been just like a little building, outbuilding.
I think there's a little description page. That's been graffiti.
Oh, that's a shame.
Concrete remains you see here were anti-aircraft battery built during World War II. There were 4 3.7 anti-aircraft guns arranged in a clover leaf pattern with a lighter 40mm bore for guns nearby.
So this was basically their area where they set up to shoot down airplanes, pretty much. Oh, there's so many moths. I think it's we have so many lights. Oh, what's this? Go up this way. Wow.
God, there is.
Let's get down there, Will. Let's get down and have a look.
It's hard to picture it how it would go through.
Yeah, it's, you know, if it had still some remnants of what they left behind, like guns or something, even if it was rusted. Merely just jumped over the walls or something. Oh, look at this.
Horse has been taken. Looks like, yeah, they have been sealed, but someone's...
Oh, someone's come down,
Someone's
kind
done it.
of kicked him off, kind of thing. Another room. Just wasted long enough. More rooms. And more rooms. So yeah, what they've done. Ah, it's someone's hands. So yeah, they must have sealed it with there. So someone's also come on. That's strong, that is really strong. They're everywhere, Will. They're massive.
Let me have a little look at it.
That caterpillar.
Right, so.
Seriously?
Just going to see if it goes behind it a minute. Boiling now.
It's really hot, yeah. When we first left, it's like really cold.
Right.
So this will be possibly another dead end.
I don't know. Yeah, I don't know if this ramps the all the way round like where we just went. So if you turn right, it just goes there. They cut right through the front of that.
Yeah. And when they've got through, they've obviously undone all the bolts. There's no way of getting off otherwise. Right. So that's another part over there.
Where?
That's where we came from. So that's just the roof.
Ah, look.
Well, it's gone this way. Ow! I get attacked by thorns. Right, how do we get down? Is this safe?
Oh yes, yeah.
So do you think this was where they kept the ammunition, and then they had a big gun here?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, of course. Look.
Imagine how big it was.
Oh my god, yeah, massive. To fit just here on his own, it would have been huge. That's insane. This must definitely be where they kept like food, ammunition. But it was in a clover, wasn't it? They said it was in a clover.
Yeah.
From what we can tell.
Right on a cliff.
So guys, you think this is the next one? This is the second one. So many flies. Ah, this one's a little bit more overgrown. So guys, just here, where we are, would have been a massive gun just looking up at the sky during the war. Because guys, you've just seen the second one. That was the second battery. And now we're, yeah.
This one goes right inside. Like. So would that, no. But I think
That's a shut door in there. This must have been the next one. Just here.
I got one there. Like.
Yep. I wonder what this is. Can't really see. It goes right inside there. Maybe it's linked to this one?
Opens up in here.
Oh yeah, it's huge. Smells weird. It smells really damp, but it smells. There's a bat. You just walked under it. Just there.
Oh yeah. My worst.
Your worst enemy, Will. You literally just walked under it. You didn't know.
I didn't even notice it, no.
Dude, I'm just gonna. Okay, so there's the bat just there.
Quite.
Oh, he's gone that way.
Which way?
That way. The way you went. I think he had enough. He was gone. That's the second time that's happened to us. But I can't believe you just walked under it. Damn. That was insane. I did not expect to find that back just underneath you.
How could people come here and just sit down and have a snack there? Fire.
Why did you rather fire? Don't know.
Well, I just don't see how you can sit down here and get quiet and have a beer.
Someone's lunchbox.
Yeah, I did not notice that back.
That was hilarious.
It opens up down there though. I'm surprised. I from the upstairs, it didn't look too good up here. Yeah, he's trying a new spot.
Oh, I don't believe him. You scared him for like...
Do you reckon he goes a bit bigger, or is it?
I don't know.
Well, look,
The soup bomb is out there. Put it out there. It's a bigger one.
oh, yeah.
Hey mate. He's coming to chill. Ain't gonna bother you. Cool. This one's asleep, I think. Whatever. Like, oh. It's weird because he's just on his own.
Oh, was that dead end there when it got thrown?
Yeah, this is dead end. Right, I hate the fact that I'm bugging spoilers in there.
Yeah.
We've been in mines, like...
I've never, did we go through that?
Yeah.
Yeah, I've never seen so many spiders.
Dude, we've been in mines with less spiders. I've been in a cave with less spiders. Oh, that's a shame. Oh wait, we went this way. We were just there.
Oh, is this where we jumped down?
No.
Is it already?
That when we went inside, we seen this bit here.
Not a fox, is it?
No, it's a person.
Sounds like that. Oh yeah, that scream. We just seen someone with a gun, didn't we?
Yeah, so guys, the story is that me and Will pulled up. And we're just having a bit of food before we set off, as always. And there was a couple of people here. There's one person stood by the fence, the entrance. We have to get up this as well, Will. So yeah, there was someone stood by the entrance with a torch and thought, yep, that's grand. There's a couple of cars there. But no sooner, there we go. No sooner we're doing this, three young lads, they started walking up the road and they kind of looked at us a little bit, and one of them was carrying a rifle. They all just popped out the field. What is that?
What is that?
Oh, it's like a makeup thing.
Oh yeah.
And yeah, they just popped out and kind of looked at us and walked up the back up the road. What's that over there?
I don't know.
Is that back where we came? So yeah, that was interesting, guys. We did not expect some of a rifle. Yeah, we're not sure if it was an air rifle or some kind of shotgun, because it was hard to kind of see.
I think, is that the way we came in, and is that the first thing we walked up to, remember? And then we went straight ahead.
It could be, yeah. It could be. Oh. This better be, hopefully, this is reinforced concrete.
Yeah.
So guys, that's us exploring Lavernock Battery. Hopefully I've said that right. So over there, there's one of the turret points there, and over there, and there's a third one here. And you've seen all these rooms here, and there's a lot more rooms over there. There's a lot, yes, a hell of a lot of flies, but there's a lot of yeah, a lot of spiders down here. It's like it's like a hardcore spot if you want to find some spiders. And yeah, there's a lot of spray paint. But yeah, guys, we're gonna call it. This is it's been pretty cool, really. It's nice to see stuff from kind of the war era and kind of a surrounding area. It's a shame a lot of people decide to spray paint, but this is place number 1. And it will.
Yeah, and then off to a on the way home in Wales, there is a nice abandoned castle to visit on the way back.
Yeah, so place number 2 is coming right up, and that will be the castle. Go on.